Is it possible to pluck your eyebrows and keep them looking manly? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to clean and maintain them by plucking them in a way that keeps them looking natural. Keep watching because I'm going to share with you how you can look more handsome without looking feminine. I'm Andres Perez and this is Bioman TV. What you're going to need, very simply, just some tweezers. Now I recommend you have a mirror that magnifies itself. That way it's going to make it a lot easier to do. Now unless you have super bushy eyebrows, you're not going to need scissors, you're not going to need the comb. Basically the way it would work is, you comb it, whatever's extra, you cut it. You want to make sure you pull out the entire hair when you're plucking, because otherwise it gets cut, right? And then it looks thicker. To avoid that, just get higher quality tweezers. This is some German brand, I can't even pronounce it, but they were pretty good. So let's go ahead, let's get started with the eyebrows. Now there are some rules to this. You're supposed to go along your nose, and that's where your eyebrow's supposed to start, and then it ends like something like that. But you know what? Let's forget all that. I'm going to give you some very simple tips to follow. The most important part, if you do nothing else, right here, right in the middle.
Because we want our eyebrows to look natural, we're going to stay away from the middles. That's the top and the bottom. At that point, you're shaping your eyebrow. So instead, what I'm going to show you is how to clean up the ends of your eyebrow.
Now, I haven't touched my eyebrows in a few weeks because I really want you to see my problem areas. But here in the middle is the most important area between the eyebrows. So remember, when you pull, try to get it from the base, that way the whole hair comes out. And also what you want to do is you don't want to define that edge, just kind of go along the edge that already exists with your eyebrow and just clean that up a little bit. And then just do the same for the other side there.
The outside of your eyebrow can really be tricky. So this area right here, this little patch, definitely has to go. And then this big one right here that's sticking out, I'm going to take that one off as well. So this area is tricky because you may feel like you want to take off more than you really should be. And also, this is the area that people are going to notice if you're really shaping. But also just kind of move the hair around. That'll make it easier to get to some. So as you can see, this is not perfect, but it still looks natural. You can always come back and do more. Now as for this eyebrow, it's a little bit more difficult to figure out what you want to take off and leave. It's shaped pretty well already, but this down here, just gonna get rid of it. And also that end's kind of thin, so you want to be careful, otherwise it's gonna disappear. But just remember, you can always come back to this. If there's a spot that, or if rather a hair that's really sticking out to you and you want to come and remove it, you can do that after the fact, but you cannot put more hair back on.
So how often should you do this? Well, everyone's eyebrows are different. As for me, I do it every other weekend. You may have to do every weekend. The great thing about using the information I shared with you is no one's really going to notice when you do it, but they may notice when you don't. If you want to become captivating, then check out either of the videos below. And after you subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell so you can be alerted when I have new information to share with you.